Is a micro switch. It's a reliable electrical component and it's used everywhere from appliances to PC mice. It's a tactical switch because it gives you a physical click to confirm the signal. This is a button that mounts on top of it. This is one mounted. This click is definitive in electrical contacts. A Cherry MX switch is a specific popular keyboard mechanism designed to achieve the same reliable contact but with longer travel. As you can see, this is a housing. The housing is the frame that controls the motion, and we use the custom printed housing to translate the short action of the micro switch into a standard long travel key press.